Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert any website page into a PDF document. Now it's super simple. We first just need to make sure we have Google Chrome installed onto our computer. And once you've installed Google Chrome, we're going to then launch the browser. And once you've launched up Google Chrome, we just need to head over to these three little dots in the top right hand side here and come inside of extensions and then select visit Chrome Web Store. And inside of the search box, we just need to type in CAPTCHA and hit enter. And then you should get this search result come up, which is go full page screen CAPTCHA, and we can select this. And then you're just going to press add to Chrome and you'll get this confirmation message pop up, and we can just press add extension, and that should only take a couple seconds to complete. And then we just need to make sure the extension is activated, and we can do that by heading back over to these three little dots inside of extensions and then select manage extensions, and next to go full page screen CAPTCHA, just make sure it's enabled. This blue thing should be toggled on, and then all you're going to do is close down Google Chrome and we're going to relaunch it by clicking the browser. So once you've enabled the extension, we simply need to head over to the website where we want to convert it to a PDF. So let's say, for example, I want to convert the page of youtube.com. Then all we simply need to do is head over to this extensions button here, and for you might just see this camera icon instead, and all we need to do is just press this go full page extension and then give that a couple seconds to complete, and this is going to capture the entire page of the website. And all you need to do is press this download PDF button here, and if you get this confirmation message pop up, we can press allow. And now if I come over to the downloaded PDF file, as you can see here, it's now downloaded and converted that entire page for me into a PDF file for us to access. And that's it guys, that's how you convert a web page into a PDF document. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.